Sam here with MarineMax Coco, and today we're going to check out a brand new 2024 Sea Ray 260 SLX. As you can see, it's the black hull color with the teal accent. You have a stainless steel insert rub rail, quick release fenders, cleats. You have one at the front, a center cleat, and one in the aft. As you can see, we're paired with a 300 Mercury outboard, 4-stroke, quiet, fuel efficient, plenty of power for this 260. Let's take a look inside. In the aft of this 260 SLX, you see we have a nice sun pad. Perfect spot to watch the kids jump in and out of the water. Perfect spot to spray them off when they get back into the boat. You have stereo controls here, as well as USB charging. Plenty of storage in the floor. Nice for your shoes, flip-flops, stuff like that. You do have a massive canvas. Right now it's in the extended position, but it does fold back. Multiple seating spots here. Storage everywhere. Right now you can see the covers in here, so this comes with a full cover. Cooler storage here. Perfect for a Yeti soft cooler here. More in-floor storage. Plenty of storage in there. 2 captain chairs with flip-up bolsters. Underneath here you can see the big sub. This is equipped with upgraded audio. At the helm, we have 2 9-inch Simrad. You have digital switching, which controls all your lighting, your batteries. It's very smart. You can see everything you need to see. Active trim here. There's your shift pinnacle, as well as some push button switches for your wipers, anchor lights, stuff like that. This boat is also equipped with trim tabs, and your controls are there as well. We do have a pump out head with overboard discharge. A nice space there if you want to change your suit or use the restroom, wash your hands. Here at the bow, you can lounge, relax, nice views. You have flip down armrest, more storage in the floor here. You have another sprayer here as you're bringing up the windlass. And then of course, windlass controls. This boat is available and ready for delivery. If you have any questions or want to come check this boat out, stop by at MarineMax Coco or give us a shout at 321-636-3142. Thank you.